all you. Take your time. It's all you.
Ready? Go.
Get on the outside of his. Keep them hands up. Keep them hands up. Hands up. Don't waste your energy. Don't waste your energy. All right, pass the ball. Pass the ball. All right, use that free hand. Use that free hand. Use that free hand. Come on, Mike. Use that free hand. Work it. Work it. Use your hand. Use that free hand. Catch your breath now, Mike. Catch your breath. Catch your breath now.
Come on, Ronnie. Work around it. Come on.
Catch your breath now. Use your time to catch your breath.
Doing great, brother. Doing great.
Use that free hand, Mike. Focus on
Your feet. Push off the cage.
Keep working. Keep working. Stay in control. Stay in control. Catch your breath now. Don't let him knock you up. There you go. Breathe. Use that free hand. Breathe. Work while you're in there. Work while you're in there. Work the body. Let's work. Breathe. Use your time to get your breath. Right? Use your time to get your breath. Stay on it. Get your breath. Get your breath. Stay in control. Breathe, Mike. Breathe. Breathe, Mike. Get your breath. Get your breath. Use your time to breathe. Use your time to breathe. Hey, you got knees, Mike. Work, Mike. Come on. Knees to his side. Work. Work. Stay in control. Stay in control. Work. Stay in control, Mike. Force it. Come on. Stay in control, Mike. Breathe, Mike.
Take your time.
Put some on it, Mike. Put some on it, baby. Stay in control. Use that free hand. Use that right hand, Mike. Hand to the body. Use that right hand, Mike. Hand to the body. Hand to the body. Breathe, Mike. Breathe. Get your breath. Get your breath. Get your breath. Get your breath. Open it, open it, open it. Yeah. Head up, head up. Breathe. Catch your breath. Yeah.
Hey, y'all appreciate these Hoovers girls getting out here tonight. We need to make a little bit of noise for them.
Stay in control. You're working too hard. You're working way too hard. Stay in control. Hey, ref. We good. Listen.
You get him back down like that, use your side. If you on his side now, if you pass his guard, you can leave him to the side. See, right now, he fighting you off.
They're wiring.
Yeah, I know that, but still, you got to use that to your advantage. If he giving you that side, or you got that free hand, go ahead and work his body. If you work his body, you'll get him to quit.
Right,
You got to work his body.
Stay in control. Don't go wild. Stay in control. Ref. Gotta get something here. Yeah. Watch the wild shots, Mike. Stay in control. Looking good. Looking real good. Do a lot.
He can try to take you back there. Use your standing.
Stay in control, Doc. Opportunities to breathe.
control, Mike. Ready?
Hands up. Get him, Ronnie. Turn it on, Ronnie.
Turn it outside. Turn it outside.
He's looking to shoot. He's looking to shoot.
Turn it outside.
Hot, hot. Turn it on. Get off the back. Turn it on, Ronnie.
All right. It's time to get your breath. It's time to get your breath. Come with it, Mike.
There you go.
Have a fist to his rear. There you go. Take your time.
Watch it on. Watch it on.
Take it home with you, Ronnie.
Work his body, Mike.
You don't feel it. You don't feel it.
He beating. He beating. He beating.
Take your time.
Go to work on him, Mike. Go to work. He's ready to
Move
lose.
your hips.
He's tired, Mike.
He's exhausted, Ronnie.
He's tired, Mike. Keep working. Control his arms.
Get your legs tighter. Finger for your legs. There you go.
You know what to do. You know what to do. There you go.
Stand up.
Under control.
Control, Mike. Finish him off.
Under control, Mike.
Work his body, Mike.
Ronnie, you're fine. You're fine, Ronnie.
What's the time? He's tired.
It's always fine.
Come on, Mike. He's tired. Keep resting.
Ronnie, sit up straight. Sit up straight.
Keep going. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Mike, you gotta breathe, baby. You're looking good.
Catch your breath now. Catch your breath now. Come on, come on.
Head back.
One round. One round. This.
Pressure on.
You got this right hand free. He's got his right hand. Bam, bam, bam. That's all you got to do. Play. When he was on his back, he was resting on his chest. All he doing was just landing. Every time you give him a break, he takes a break. Don't finish him off.
Finish him off under control, Mike.
Not control, just when you got his legs and you're top of him like that, take that little quick stick, sweep his leg, and take your side off. Take your side now. You know what to do.
You mean spit.
Huh?
You mean spit. Right good.
Ready? All right. Do your thing.
Come on, get a little more. Get a little more, Mike. Come on. All you got,
Ready? Go, go, go.
Still out, still out. All you got. Go, man. Go, go. You gotta clean up that fire. Suck it up. All you got right now. Let's go.
All right, let's make some noise for these guys. They're working hard in here for you.
Tired, Mike.
Under control, Mike. Stay smart. Stay smart.
look for the submission. He's giving you it. Let's go.
Work the body.
There you go. Control the posture. Short elbow, Ron. Short elbow. That arm's there, Ronnie. The arm is there. Take it.
Control this posture.
Set him up. Control this posture.
Stay in control, Mike. Use this time to breathe. Catch your breath. You're working hard down there. Use this time to breathe and catch your breath.
There you go.
Keep your hands up.
Elbow across.
Overhooked. There you go. Take it. Ronnie, let's go. You can rest in a minute. Let's go. Sit up.
Money,
Sit up.
up to the
Let's go.
head.
Go, go, go. Take it all. Let's go, go, go. Nice, go, go, go. You all right, Ronnie? Let's go. Control the posture. Short elbow. Take this hard, baby.
Control the body. Let's work, baby.
Work, Mike.
Work
Work.
that body.
Put it in hips. Put it in hips.
You give it to you. Take it. Take it. Work it. Hard, hard.
Go, Ronnie. Don't get still. Good work. Don't get still, man. Let's go. Overhook with your right arm. Overhook. Hit his right arm.
Take what he gives you. Take what he gives you.
Go, go, go.
Take what he gives you. Don't get caught. Stay in control.
Take it off right there.
Everybody's the danger side of Mike. Everybody's the danger side of Mike. Stay in control.
Control. Stay smart. Stay smart.
Hips up. Come on. Go. Put the hips. Go.
Bring yourself up. Bring yourself up.
Stay in control, baby. Breathe. Use the opportunity to catch your breath every chance you get and explode.
Breathe, baby.
Put your
Breathe.
hips over.
Catch your breath every chance you get and explode.
Right now, Ronnie. Subsweet.
Breathe and explode. Work. Kick him off up. Good fight, man. Good fight. Good fight. Good fight. Way to work, baby. Way to work. Good job.
Come on, sit on stool.
Control
Sit
this
on stool.
time.
Sit on stool.
In control.
Good job, man.
That's way to show them how to work.
Hey, we need to get some more towels.
They gotta get better wins.
Yeah, but look, everybody know what we gotta do. You know what we gotta do. Let me see that towel. This ain't us, but I'm gonna get this rest.
Mike, way to work, baby. Here. Press with that.
That towel, look at it.
Yeah, you need to flip the circle more.
You can't.
Bro, use some of this stuff, man. Disinfect it. You need to touch that stuff. You don't
I ain't touching it, but I did.
use some of that. That's disinfect.
Need some of this, bro?
You already know, man.
It's alright. It's alright, though. It's alright.
What did he say?
He said he hated he had to fix like that.
A win is a win.
Yeah. My bus. You see, you eat it for 3 rounds.
All right, smoke away.
Come on. What?
Hips, right?
Huh?
Hips, right?
Yeah. What? I'm gonna take
Sure.
All right, this fight has to go to the judges' scorecard. Let's hear some noise for these Warriors. With a unanimous decision. After all 3 rounds, the judges scored 30-27 for your winner, Mike Hodges. All right, folks, we're going to do a little ring cleaning and a couple of other things. We're going to take about a 5 or 6 minute intermission. I know you've been sitting here for a while, so now is the time. If you want to hit the bathrooms, get you a hot dog, whatever you need to do. Take you a few minutes, relax, and we will be back momentarily. And don't forget our sponsors. We want to thank Hooters and the ladies from Hooters coming out to